Mains and goals, Geffen Spring 2022. Let's get right into the video, you guys. So I have a competition coming up this Saturday. It's called Geffen Spring 2022, and I'm really excited for it. This is a mains and goals video, so let's get right into it. So the first one I'm going to be competing in is 2x2. So my main for this, oh, and by the way, you guys, if you don't want to see any spoilers for this video, or sorry, for the unboxing to be on Saturday, don't watch this video yet. I'll post this video's link in the description on Saturday's video, which is when the unboxing will come out, for the mains and goals, because there's some spoilers for keeps I'll get in this video for the unboxing. Anyways, if you don't want any spoilers, just wait till Saturday to watch this video. Okay, the first cube, like I said, is 2x2, and I'm going to be using the YJ MGC Elite 2x2. It's a very good cube. I've done a few averages with this, and it's very good. I was debating between this and my 251M, but I have really big hands, and so this is much better for like the T-perm, whereas this is just a little bit harder for that right there, and this just feels much better. It was a little clicky, it's still a little bit better control. Okay, guys, so my goal for this is to be able to get a sub 5 single, which I can get if I get a really good solve. If I can I've one looked something before, by the way, I've gone 1.8. I've one looked at, but I'm really just going for a sub 5 single, and for average, let's go under sub 7.5 seconds. That'd be best for me. So I'm really looking forward to this event. Next main, my next main is for the event of 3x3. Yes, I hear my dogs in the background. Is the GAN 12M Maglev. Now this cube, I didn't do an unboxing for, but it is a very good cube. Also, my amazing aunt got it for me. So if you're watching out there, thank you very much for this amazing cube. Very nice feel to it. Obviously Maglev. Definitely helpful right there for like little turns, but I really like it. I'm really looking forward to this event. My goal is 1 sub 20 single, because I'm be putting a lot of practice in the next few days, and hoping to be able to get that sub 20 single. Average wise, I hope to go under 24 seconds, so that's my PR average as of this point. I'll say it's my PB average. Haven't tracked in a while. My next main, that we got from my little side over here, is, can you guys guess by the sound of it? It's a cube also unboxed, my latest unboxing. Or, not latest, because that don't come out yet. The unboxing, that's coming out on Saturday. And it is one of the most amazing puzzles I've ever felt in my life. You guys will land there, it's not necessarily a cube, it's a puzzle. So, yeah, I learned the method for this. I haven't reviewed in a while, but the pyramings, the GAN Enhanced Pyramings. It's a very nice cube. I really like it a lot. V first right there. And then again, solves it. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to doing this event. It isn't what I'm super serious about. I haven't practiced a lot, but I'm definitely looking forward to competing in it. I think what should my goal be on this? Let's think, you guys. Well, a good goal would probably be single-wise. Let's see, maybe under 30 seconds for single. Maybe let's push ourselves under 23 seconds for a single, and for average, let's go sub 45 for the average. Because the cutoff is 30 seconds, I've made that pretty easily before. Let's change that. Let's think. So I think my single will be, I want my single to be 25 seconds. And my average to be under 30 seconds. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this event, you guys. Turns very nicely, as you guys can tell. I'm honestly not used to it quite yet, because I just came from the Moyu Pyraminx, which I don't know in this case, but that's a very different feel from it. It's not magnetic. This is very this is very GAN-like. If you felt it, you'd immediately know it's the GAN cube. If you have experience feeling cubes such as the GAN 12 or the GAN 251M, and maybe not the 251M. Maybe if you looped it, you definitely know. But yeah, definitely. I'm gonna use this cube. I'm looking forward to this. My final main, you guys. Yes, it's scrambled. Just show you that I have been working on it. I mean, I know how to solve it, but I have been practicing with it. Another one I unboxed in my latest unboxing. YJ MGC 4x4. Now, you guys, I'm really looking forward to this event. I was only kind of looking forward to Pyraminx for these past few days, month, I guess. But with this cube that I got, I feel like I have a really good chance of meeting the cutoff, which is sub 2 minute. And I feel like I can get it. I just need to get a few lucky solves and not get complete parodized. If you guys know what that means, it's where okay, there you go. It's where there's a case on the cube and you can't solve like you solve like a normal 3x3. And while the algorithms aren't necessarily hard, they are quite time consuming and have ruined a lot of world records and PBs. It's even a running joke in the cubing community. Like, oh no, you got parodied. Like, one of those kind of things. So, yeah. I just hope I don't get any parody. As long as I don't get any parody, I should be okay for me to cut off. Because I really want to do a full-on average of this. That'd be amazing to get that logged in my WCA profile. Because I competed at it at another tournament, Anaheim Winter A. I competed in it, but I didn't make cutoff. I did pretty poorly because I hadn't really practiced it previous to this. But as you guys can tell, I messed up. I'm getting better and better at my edge pairing. I haven't learned 3-2-3 edge pairing yet. And you guys, if you don't know what anything I'm talking about is, I will explain it in future videos. But this video is mainly just talking about how, like, my mains and my goals, like the title says. It's a pretty classic video in the cubing community. Talking about your mains and your goals to get people hyped about the upcoming competition. And to get yourself hyped. So yeah, first, you know, I'm not going to spoil anything too much. But this cube is amazing. Whoops, wrong way. It can be a little poppy at times. I mean, my other 4x4, the Moyu 4x4, never really popped at all. Like, it just won't pop, it just won't turn. Like, you literally can't pop this cube. Like, you literally cannot pop it. Definitely lock it up, but you cannot pop it. It's pretty impossible. Just finish this solve, you guys. So if we're getting any parodies, it's good for content. Speaking of content, you guys make sure to like and subscribe, so that way you can see more of these videos. No, wait, plus more videos. Now, see, this is an example of parody. This is not a possible PLL case. If I do, let's just say that the H-perm, since this looks like an H-perm, I get this case, which is literally impossible to get on 3x3. So you have to do a parody algorithm, and then solve the PLL from there. But yeah, also the Q's fault, like literally the math itself's fault. You also get OLL parody, where it's like this. This is literally impossible to get on a 3x3. I mean, people have like faked it before, but like it's literally impossible to get this. So you have to do this really long algorithm. That solves it. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this event though. Really hoping to do good on it. This is also 3x3 OH, but I'm not that good at OH like at all. I literally never practiced it like ever. Like I literally have to use a table for it and stuff. I mean that's a good thing to do, but I don't want to like waste time or anything. I'm just trying to do it. So yeah, guys, these are my mains. I didn't talk about my goals for my did I? Yes, my goal is to get sub 2 minutes. That's all I want. And if I do get through, I want my mean, if it's only a few solves, or average to be under 2 minutes 15 seconds. That'd be really cool if I could do that. Turns pretty well, as you can see. It pops, see. I told you can't turn it super fast. I mean, it's pretty easy pop fix. Not the worst ever. It's also super magnetic, as you guys can tell. It'll go like this. It's really magnetic. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. It's the only way I keep doing these. And, yeah. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Make sure to watch out for the vlog on Saturday. And, yeah, notification bell to see that vlog. Subscribe to see that vlog. Like to see that vlog. Anything to do to see the amazing vlogs going to be coming out. 3, 2, 1. Cube for life. Out.